Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Powershell and immediately checking the session history. Run get history to see commands executed this session. Once done, confirm persistent logging. Use get ps redline option to find the history save path, then inspect that file path in $env app data. Do this because session history is transient, while ps readline stores a longer record, so you know whether to look in memory or on disk for past commands. Next, you inspect the persistent history file, run get content on the ps readline history path to stream saved commands. You can pipe to select object last 100 to view recent lines quickly, or first to sample older entries. Make sure to check get ps redline option to understand save limits and duplicate handling, because adjusting those affects what gets preserved. This explains why some commands vanish. Settings can trim or prevent duplicates, so tailor options before relying on long-term history. Finally, export or tidy history. Pipe get history to export CSV or out file to save a snapshot, and use clear history when you need a clean session. If you prefer manual edits, close PowerShell and edit the PS readline history file safely. If nothing appears, troubleshoot by ensuring PS readline is loaded with get module. Also verify $env app data points to your profile folder. Make sure file permissions allow writing without that. PowerShell cannot persist history, and you will see empty logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.